And if you've got a bit of pepitas, they'll even go nicely in that too. I'm going to get some and show you. Pumpkin seeds, pumpkin corn kernels. That in there will really be nicely. So what you need to do first is put them on a tray, handful, whatever, how much you want. I wouldn't put pine nuts because pine nuts sometimes they're a little bit overrated and they're very, very strong. So they overpower any flavour. So you want things that are going to blend in well. Like, you want it to sit at the table, and when you sit all and everyone's at the table and everyone's happy and there's a harmony, that's what you want with food, harmony. So have a look at that, and you can put some of the pumpkin seeds in that. You can add a little bit more coleslaw if you like it a little bit more crunchier, but I wouldn't add anything else to this salad. And there you have it. A scrumptious summer pasta salad. Now this you can keep in the fridge for about 2-3 days and you can eat it, and it's absolutely delicious. You will love it. Have a look for a little bit closer. Look, the kransky, the tomato, the broccoli, the pesto in it. The sour cream gives it a little bit of nice body.